guys, what's up? It's Aaron here. I'm back with another video for you today. So, what's the best PC build you can get for under $1,000 in December 2015? Let's see. To fulfill that is the area. For the CPU, I chose an Intel Core i7 6700K GPU. I chose an AMD Radeon R9 390. The memory, we'll use G-Skill's Ripjaws 16GB memory kit. For the motherboard, we use a Gigabyte GA78 LMT. That's a DDR4 motherboard and supports up to 64GB of memory if you want to upgrade that to that much in the future. For the storage, we've gone with the universal one. We use the WD Blue 1TB, and that's even cheap. For the power supply, we went with Corsair CX750M. That's a multiple power supply. Containing all this is a Corsair Hybrid Series Spec 01, and it has many cable management options. So if you are a cable management lover,